Good morning, children. Sarah. So today we are going to continue with chapter number 4 of agriculture, types of commercial farming, part 3. Commercial farming, as you know, that the name suggests itself, commercial means farming or the agricultural processes carried out in order to gain profit. So, children, before heading towards the next topics, let's have a quick revision that what topics did we covered in the last class. In types of farming, we have covered subsistence farming, primitive farming, intensive farming, shifting cultivation, nomadic herding. Now, when we are heading towards the types of farming, commercial farming is further divided or bifurcated in three types of farming, that is mixed farming, commercial grain farming, and plantation farming. So let's start with the first type of farming, that is commercial farming. Yes, when we deal with commercial farming, now what is commercial farming? Farming and selling crops in order to generate a profit, sells everything that the farm produces. Efficiency is the key. Maximum yields and high profits are needed to sustain this type of farming. It involves more technical input as machinery obtains greater output. Normally occupies a larger size of land. Children, when we are discussing about commercial farming, we can actually commercial, when we talk about commercial or primitive, see, primitive is something which has been existing from ages, and commercial means on a broad scale, something which is grown, which is reared in order to gain profit, in order to generate a profit motive in commercial farming. So you can now understand the farming of those crops which are actually exported, that is, which are sold out in order to earn money. Fine. So next, in commercial farming, you can see this particular picture. By this picture, you can have an idea that commercial farming really requires massive land. You need large land in order to have a large scale production. Definition of commercial farming: commercial farming actually leads with mixed crop and livestock farming, ranching, dairying, and large scale grain production. It deals with the farmers produce their production and the crops that they cultivate in order to sell them in the market to gain a profit, that is, to earn good amount of money. Commercial, I repeat again, means large scale production. Plantation farming is another form of commercial farming. Actually, it is practiced in less developed countries. So now, when we are talking about mixed crop and livestock farming, what actually is mixed crop and livestock farming? Definition: it involves a farm that grows crops and raises animals. That is, suppose a farmer who is having a good quality of land, if he is actually growing food suppose he's cultivating a crop and he's rearing livestock, that is, he's raising animals on that particular land. He takes them he raises him on the green grass as well as other fodder and funds, so it is called as mixed crop and livestock farming. Most crops grown on mixed farms are used to feed the farm's animals. Why? It provides manure fertilizers for sale as well as goods. Most of the mixed farms income from sale of its animal products, that is reduces farmers dependence on seasonal crops, devotes nearly all land to crops, but 3/4 of income comes from the sale of animal products. Exists widely throughout Europe and Eastern North America. Usually farms are near large urban areas.